Okay, let's see. While we're over here, we can check some other stuff. I'm like checking things while I'm doing other things. I didn't bring my torque wrench with me. Where's my torque wrench? How can I come out here without my torque wrench?
Did you?
Naked torque wrench. Factory torque wrench. Too much crap in the wheel over here.
Yep. That's what happens when they start altering these.
Why do you get all this shit zip tied so tight in here?
Right?
The more you zip tie stuff, the more it is harder to work. What the hell is up with these yo-yos? Okay, well, this one's not good.
So if this guy's son didn't want to write this thing and he just left it all original, that would have been
The problem I got is, see, they're rubbing on across everything here. See how that's rubbing on that? See, if they put this on the inside of this gas line, it would not be sticking out into this. A little bit lower down, it wouldn't be into it either, but right now they're into it, which is interfering with the shifting. I don't know why they're doing all this stupid crap like this. This is stupid.
Well, it's eventually all gonna go. I gotta go back to.
I'm gonna fix this problem right now. Okay. Shouldn't figure this cable's so damn tight. It's definitely in the wrong spot. That needs to go inward a lot. The problem is you can't do that very easily. Okay, now when I took all that binding off,
Yeah, it's better.
now we got clearance.
Yeah.
See that clearance we developed?
Right.
Binding anymore. The problem is it's laying on top of the shifter. That's the problem.
And over time, we start wearing into that. Really want to put it back with the rocker clutch and get the shift gate and shifter, but parts are just, and I don't want to put any reproduction. I want to, you know, each year I just want to update it with more original parts.
Yeah.
Stock up and do a once yearly swap.
I'm gonna do this.
I'll eventually get to the.
I'm gonna figure out how I want to do this. I'm gonna do something you probably won't like.
You're the surgeon, man. The surgeon at work.
Work on your tires here a little bit.
I'm getting some off work shots of you, man. What are we doing?
Oh, it goes straight now.
Oh.
And oh. Look at
Now
this.
it's.
Oh, it's out of the way.
Well, actually works without binding.
This still needs to be on the other location where it is right now. Let me turn the handle when it happens. Not much.
And it rode okay, but I didn't feel any slipping.
Why do they got a repair piece up here for?
A what?
Repair piece. That's a repair because the cable's broken or made wrong or something.
Yep, probably from the guy who.
Probably did something wrong.
Yep. What you looking for? The pry bar? Yeah, okay. Grab this bag.
You took off, you missed what I did.
pulled it up some more.
This is why you put 2 9/16 in your box instead of just one.
I don't know, I'm here now. I'm about to pad.
Because you have to do shit like this, you need 2 of them to do it.
So used to recording everything on my damn phone. It's been 20 years since I've held one of these cameras.
Okay, now this is out of the way.
Do it the right way. Run it through.
Well, it should be inside this gas line. I can't change that fact right now because you have it over here.
Alright.
All I can do is put it up over here next to me. Like this. Get away from that a little bit.
Don't want to be too close to the motor.
It's against the... Well, it rubs down here. That's just what they do. He's got this stupid bracket in here, which is not helping the situation, but that is... Usually you put a bracket there, so just the cable's a little on the short side because it's going around the outside of all this stuff instead of through it.
Yeah.
Just moves it in further and makes it not so long. So it's short in this case. Of course, this is nice and loose too, which is wonderful. That's about normal. And normally these are on the inside, not the outside. So
Right.
run it backwards like that forward.
Probably clearance looks like from here.
He did it so it would clear all this crap.
Right.
This stuff's in the way.
That's what happens when you start changing things and altering them.
The problem is when you go like this, it digs in down in here. There's no clearance in here because it's not made right. I would have done it. I would have ran it higher up.
Yeah.
So crap you shouldn't have to be doing right now, but
Was that a factory part?
factory tool, yeah.
Better.
Appears to be missing lubricant.
Well, it should be greased up.
It's going to be rubbing all this stuff, but it's okay. Yeah, what things we do for that. Motorcycles are a big maze. You have to figure out how to make everything be friendly with each other.
Right. Flow. All about the flows.
This is not going to work what I want it to do. Hold that right there. Must be aftermarket. Bin's pretty easy.
Yeah, Harley won't All the stuff they were making back then was top notch.
Okay.
All the ching chong stuff. It's weak. Tatro, are you thinking this is V-twin too, or?
Most likely.
Most likely. It's too shiny.
Do something.
Not enough patina. Well, it did. I cleaned it up. Some
That was nice.
glob of
Push the lid right to the bottom there.
grease.
Grease container up, you don't get greasy.
Where's the Harley grease, man? Supposed to be using hard.
Yeah. Special. Go to Harley and buy it.
I bought a big bucket of it 10 years ago and I still have it. Huge bucket. I don't even know where I bought it from. Okay.
So this does not have any kind of a lock washer on it, which is nice.
It's a suicide shifter.
Yeah. 9/16 on that side. What's that? See, no binding.
Big difference.
See, I was hitting over here before? Because they didn't do it correctly.
Nice zoom
Cable's up
on
out
it.
of the way too now, see?
It's really important. It's the little things that makes a big difference. And just most people just look past it.
Yeah. Problem is I didn't tighten this up before I got in here.
Just want to make it work. There you go.
Well, more likely it's just turning on the other side, but let's get to it.
Tatro, would you happen to have a original one of these hex inspection covers or
Terminal
bolts?
plugs?
Yeah.
I have some colony reproduction ones.
Colony.
Good stuff.
I can throw one on there if you've got it. If it's easy to find.
Oh, upstairs.
It looks ugly. Now that you pointed it out, it's
Okay, so now that all works like it's supposed to now.
nice.
Now this, take a zip tie,
Zip it to the
put it right
the
to
line.
there, shove it up a little bit or wait for it to go up. Doesn't want to go up, so then leave it there, but you need to zip tie it to here so it'll stay put.
Okay.
Otherwise it's just going to slide. It's going to actually just fall out here. So eventually it's going to start dragging out here. So if you push it to the inside, it shouldn't be a problem. See, it'll shift like it's supposed to now. So right now all that's working correctly. You know, see how they drags right here though? See, I'm not dragging right there because I moved it. Why don't you have lights on? See how when you go back, see how it doesn't drag like it was before? See, I'm not hitting on it like it was. So I'm not hitting on anything right now because
Right.
I modified this piece here.
Pull it out.
And I put that where it belongs. So it still rattles around like that like crazy, you know, whatever.
Yeah. Aftermarket.
Now this here, I'm not sure what that, we got spark control. Does it actually work?
Yeah, oh yeah, that works.
Okay, well, that's probably not supposed to be hanging out in the wind like that, but oh well. Okay, now, this is the right thing right here that has no lube on it.
Dry.
Supposed to have lubricant on it. You think it ever heard of lubricant in its life?
I think he just ordered it out of the catalog and put it on there. Just threw the spike together, stole the parts, and oh yeah.